Hello, folks. This is Sabir Chawala with Century 21 Innovative Realty Inc. for record. Today, what I want to talk to you about is 5 Canadian real estate trends to watch for in the year 2021. You know, every year is unique, but the year 2020 was truly unlike anything we've ever experienced in the Canadian real estate market. No one could have ever predicted that a pandemic would sweep across Canada, slowing the market initially and then driving prices upward in many regions across the country. Many markets across Canada even saw historically strong levels of activities as things picked up very quickly after a short period of activities or inactivities in certain areas. So trying to foresee where things are headed this year is a difficult task, but I think these trends are certainly worth paying attention to over the next 12 months. If all of these trends continue, it surely will be a very busy year for the Canadian real estate market. So let's dive into these trends over here. What are these? So the 5 Canadian real estate market trends to watch in 2021, according to Real Estate Wire. First is a steady increase in home prices. Detached homes will also be in high demand. Monthly home sale numbers will fluctuate less. Mortgage rates will remain depressed. And potential rental resurgence could change the trends. So let's dive into these one by one. Number 1, steady increase in home prices. So combined home sales, reported through the Toronto Real Estate Board system for the GTA, Simcoe area, Orangeville, are expected to reach approximately 105,000 for the year 2021. In the year 2020, we had 95,000 sales. The Toronto Regional Real Estate Board is predicting a 7.5% increase compared to the year 2020. Trend number 2, detached homes will be in high demand. That's correct, folks. Many factors should contribute to the expected increase in home prices this year, but it's hard to overlook the impact of detached homes in the markets almost everywhere and surrounding areas. Detached homes are typically more expensive than condos, so seeing their needs certainly means demand should bring up overall sales volume. While condos are expected to see a modest gain over the next year, detached homes are expected to become even higher in demand. That's correct. And young families looking for more space, more home offices, and places to entertain. With the lockdown, a lot of people are working from home, and that's what we're continuing seeing, and that's why people are moving into detached homes. Number 3, we're going to see monthly sales volume number will fluctuate less. That's correct. What does that mean? One of the most notable things about real estate market in 2020 was the wild swings, the monthly sales number swings, largely due to the effect of the COVID-19 and the pandemic and the lockdown that we had in many regions. According to the Toronto Regional Real Estate Board, expects sales volume to surge 10%, as I mentioned earlier, approximately 105,000 in 2021 compared to 95,000 we had in the year 2020. Number 4, mortgage rates will remain low. That's correct. To further support the borrowing, we expect rates to remain low throughout 2021. The extremely low rates that were introduced last year to calm the markets have enticed first-time home buyers, many first-time home buyers who didn't have their incomes affected by the pandemic. And now, if the mortgage rates do stay low throughout the year, which we expect to, which we fully expect to see, the real estate market is going to continually be busy. Lots of first-time home buyers will certainly come into the picture. Those who are continuing to think that, hey, it's better to rent, well, it's a great time to consider this because the rates are so low. And with that rate, you're going to see a great time to see that, hey, maybe my rates and my mortgage payment could certainly be in a good factor and almost around the same price point. So with rates being low, you're going to see that resurgence, and we're going to see first-time home buyers really coming into the market. Number 5, This is something that we're going to see. A potential rental resurgence could change trends. Renters could seriously change how the market looks in 2021. Expect renters to return to cities in large numbers once the vaccination levels, once people start vaccinating, and we're going to see that in the second half. Maybe most of Canada will see vaccinations happening. When renters return to major city centers, investors should re-enter the condo market, or at the very least inclined to sell. And when you see that less inventory, the price of condo, we should also see an increase on that. And it may take until the end of 2021, but keeping an eye on where renters are choosing to live is a great way to tell where condo prices are headed in the year 2021 and beyond. So, folks, those are the trends, and those are basically what I'd like to say we should look forward to. The 5 trends: a steady increase in home prices, a detached homes will be high in demand, monthly home sales number will fluctuate less, mortgage rates will remain depressed, and potential market rental resurgence will change things. So we'll be watching all these 5 real estate trends very closely in the year 2021, especially given how fast we've seen things change in the last year. While markets across Canada, and especially in the Toronto regional real estate world, will experience different trends, 2021 could be a year where Canada's major real estate markets have more in common with each other than other differentiators. Once again, lower interest rates in many ways are the glue that holds many of these trends together. So buyers, sellers, and the real estate agent should be closely watching what the Bank of Canada is doing and planning accordingly. So those are the trends, and that's what you will be looking forward to. If you have any questions, or if you're not sure, you'd like more information on this, if you're renting and not sure whether I should get into owning my own for a personal home, certainly reach out to myself or my team. And if you're looking at investing in real estate, well, once again, reach out to myself and my team. We've got a lot of great projects. Investors, there's a great opportunity. Lots of pre-construction projects that are out there to help you invest in the real estate. Once again, this is Sabir Chawla, broker of record. Thank you, and have yourself a pleasant day.